With this newfound income flow, let us discuss the flow of money. Money does not like to sit still. Simple fact, if you put money away in a vault for 25 years, the actual value goes down, meaning it's not worth as much as it once was. With inflation at 73.3%, if you bought something in 1994 for $100, that same item in 2019 would cost you $173.25, meaning that $100 just wouldn't be enough. A positive solution that we have created, streams of income to balance this out. Not only have we created streams of income, we have saved money for our major purchases, giving ourselves time to shop and compare for 24 hours. We are investing into ourselves, which allows us to form even more flowing streams of income. So what do we do next? We give. Yes, we give. In order to complete the flow of money, you must give. You must give thanks. You must give knowledge to others looking for a better quality of life. We must give in order to continue to receive. We must lend a helping hand, even if and especially if no one gave us a helping hand to begin with. Many argue this point until tax time, and then all of a sudden have to come up with charitable donations in order to balance things out. We should give because we want to. We should not look for any thank you or praise for our givings. We will keep up with all our receipts and our records just in case they're needed at tax time. Remember, in order to continue to receive, you must give. Find your own charitable donation to the places that you feel that can use your help the most. Thank you. Like, subscribe, hit the bell. I see you all soon. Thank you.